Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the new Scentsy Join special, and it's a good one. So sit back, relax, let's chat. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Make sure you comment below, okay? Let's chat, let's be friends, and follow me everywhere. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I am super excited to talk to you about this because this is a fantastic and amazing join special, and I'm going to tell you why. But first, I'm going to tell you why you should join. First of all, right now, everything is expensive. I just went to the grocery store, got one bag of groceries and 2 things of kitty litter, and it was $85. Everything's more. 2 days ago, went to put gas in my car, put 50 bucks in, just over a half a tank. You guys, I don't drive an SUV, I drive a Dodge Charger. It used to cost me like $45 to fill it. Like, our economy is on the struggle bus. It is on the struggle bus. And right now, having a side hustle, it's so essential. It is so essential because it's just nice to have money coming in from another source. And it's smart. It's just really smart. Scentsy has like saved the day for me many times. But in particular, last year when I had COVID pneumonia and I was extremely sick and I was off work for a few months. And right now I just had a knee replacement. And now I don't know what it's like in any other state, but here in California, again, make sure you talk to your own tax professional, because I'm not a tax professional, but I called one and I was like, hey, do I need to report like my Scentsy money? And they're like, no, that's considered self-employment. You don't report that. So when I got my disability, I don't have to deduct my Scentsy money. That is huge. That is really big. So like if I had a second job somewhere, oh yeah, I couldn't work that job either, or I'd be, they'd be reducing my pay. So, I'm sorry, I'm just looking at my pictures here. So that's something that's so cool. One thing that I love about Scentsy is that we do not need to carry stock. I don't carry stock. A couple times I've bought warmers, they didn't work out for me. And, so I have those, but like, that's not really stock. It's stuff that I bought for myself. You know what I mean? Other companies want you to keep stock in your house. We do not require that. As a matter of fact, our CEOs always say, like, have people order from your catalog. You know what I mean? That's why we have a catalog and a website, you know? And so that's really great because you don't spend family money on Scentsy, you spend Scentsy money on your family, which is the whole point, right? So like you can make as much or as little as you want to make. Make sure you go down and see the income disclosure in the description of the video. And it's just basically saying, we're not going to tell you you're going to be a millionaire tomorrow because that's just not realistic. Like you have to work for it, and results are not typical, but neither are you. You got to work at it, but I'm working it as a business. You don't have to do that. You get to choose how you want to work it. If you want to have it as a hobby or a little side hustle, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Another thing that's really great is that there's no monthly minimums. There's only a yearly minimum. In 1 month out of the 12 months, you have to put in a $200 order. Okay? You can do that. I'm filming this on the 2nd of the month and I've already done almost 300, okay? And so you can totally do that in a year, okay? You got this. I believe in you. You can do it. So you don't have that thing hanging over your head like, oh gosh, every month I have to put this in, unless that's what you choose to do. For me, it's a goal. But if that's not what you choose to do, if that's not your journey, then that's not your journey. And no problem, the Scentsy police are not going to come knocking on your door. Okay, so you can get gas money, you can get grocery money, you can do whatever it is you want to do, and you work accordingly to what you want out of your business. Another thing is, it's just fun. My office, this is my happy place. This is where I come to just like decompress and enjoy. It's so fun. It's so fun. It lets me be creative. I make samples. You don't have to make samples. I enjoy making samples. And I can run it the way I want to run it. It's just fun. It's fun and I enjoy it, and they pay me to do it. So that's fantastic. Okay, so what I want to talk about is this join kit, which is, first of all, this join special is amazing, and I'm going to show you why it's amazing. First off, we have a $25 kit. Normally, and right now, you can do it today as well. Every day, all of the days, we have 2 join prices. You can join for the regular kit, the huge full-size kit, for $99. You can do that every day, all of the days. You can also host a party. Once that party hits 200, you have now unlocked a hostess kit, which is $59. And that kit has a bunch of essentials that you need and amazing product in it. And that is always and forever as well. But now we have a third option, and this option is going to blow your mind. Okay, so this option is $25. $25. And let me tell you what you get for $25. First of all, you get, and now the contents, they always say the kit contents may vary, but this is what they are planning on putting in them. But when they run out of the warmer, they'll send another warmer, same price. Okay, this is the Why Are You Blushing? I have this going in my bathroom right now. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this one. They have it in full size as well, but this is the mini is what you're gonna get in your kit. This is a $25 value. Okay, so your kit's $25, okay? And now you've already recouped your money because you basically have purchased this warmer, okay? But there's more. There's more, okay. You also get a bar of black raspberry vanilla. You get sample packs of laundry, our body line, clean line, and pets line. So you get a bunch of stuff to try. You get 25 testers, and you get your quick start guide, which shows you what to do. And you get 5 catalogs. Did I mention that the join price is the price of this warmer, and then all that other stuff comes with it? That's amazing, okay? So that in itself is like, good job, Scentsy. That's a great price. But then again, there's more. Because Scentsy, like me, we're extra. We got to go big. We don't just play around. We do the thing, okay? So now, this is really cool. Your first 15 days that you join Scentsy is the first goal that you have. Now, if you don't hit the goal, then you don't hit the goal. I didn't hit it because I didn't know about it. My sponsor didn't tell me anything, okay? But your first 15 days, we have something called the Shooting Star. And the Shooting Star is you have sold 500 PRV in your first 15 days. So that's basically you have your launch party, you sell $500 worth of product, unless it's, the only time it's not dollar for dollar amount is when you're talking licensing products like Disney, etc. But we'll talk about that. But if you just buy stuff right out of the catalog that's not licensed, it's dollar for dollar, $500 in your first 15 days, okay? When you do that, normally you unlock the Shooting Star Enhancement Kit, which is a $300 value, and I can't remember how much it costs, but it's like 100 and something. So you still get it at like less than half price, okay, normally. But now, right now you get that whole $300 kit for free, So you join for $25, you get that warmer and all the cool stuff that goes with it, okay? And then if you sell 500 PRV in your first 15 days, you get the Shooting Star Enhancement Kit for free. And I'm about to show you this kit, and it's going to blow your mind. It's going to blow your mind because it's pretty amazing. Oops. Okay. So this is the kit that you would get for free. Do you see all that? Okay. So let's go through it. Let's see. How are we going to do this? Okay. So right here is a mini warmer. That's our hoot warmer. Again, contents may vary, okay? So that is a mini warmer. You got 2-pack of pods and a wall fan diffuser, okay? You have some Scentsy bars. I think you get 5 Scentsy bars. You get a scent pack. You get this full-size warmer. You get another mini warmer. You get body wash, freshen up pup for the dog. It's like no stink spray. You get hand soap. You get counter clean. You get a deluxe diffuser. I have one in my living room. I love it. I just got one for my daughter and she loves it. And 2 of our oils. Did I mention it's for free? Did I mention that? For free? So this is the time to join because A, right now we all need a side hustle. B, it's only $25 to join. And C, if you can sell that 500 in the first 15 days, you're going to get that huge kit for free. So that's phenomenal. And you can sell these products, okay? Like you can sell these. So like you don't have to keep them. You can sell them. So you got it for free, but you can sell them. You see what I'm saying? So you're actually making money. Making money. But yes, so then you get commission off that $500 party. Plus, you're going to get all that stuff for free and you can sell it. So this is the time to join. Do Scentsy with me. As you see, I have fun. And if I'm having fun, you're going to have fun. That's the one thing I can guarantee is fun. Okay? Scentsy doesn't do boring. We only do fun and friendship. All right, you guys. So come do Scentsy with me. I'm going to drop my link below so you can join. And if you have questions, just message me. I'm here to help you. All right, you guys. I hope you're doing amazing. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.